Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered why it's covered in so many craters and scars? Those marks are a story of absolute destruction written over billions of years. These are impact craters, formed by massive asteroids slamming into the surface from deep space. But here's the reality. It's not just the moon. Our Earth is also a moving target in the cosmic shooting gallery. Imagine a rock as large as Mount Everest, roughly the size of Manhattan, streaking through the atmosphere at tens of thousands of miles per hour. When it hits, a single city is the least of our worries. Entire states would be vaporized, oceans would boil, and the sky would turn pitch black. Today, we're looking at the most terrifying impact craters right here on Earth. The Vredefort Crater, South Africa. First, let's head to South Africa, home to the Vredefort Crater, the oldest and largest on the planet. About 2 billion years ago, when life on Earth was just microscopic cells, a 9-mile-wide asteroid slammed into the ground. The resulting explosion was millions of times more powerful than any nuclear weapon ever built by man. This crater is 190 miles wide, so massive that you can't even see its shape from the ground. You have to go into orbit to witness its true scale. Today, erosion has smoothed out its edges, but for scientists, it remains a literal open book about Earth's violent history. The Sudbury Basin, Canada. Now let's move closer to home to the Sudbury Basin in Canada. This story is unique because here, a prehistoric disaster actually created immense wealth. About 1.5 billion years ago, a massive comet collided with North America. The impact was so violent it melted the Earth's outer crust, causing precious metals from deep inside to rise to the surface. Today, a huge portion of the world's nickel and copper is mined from this very spot. People that literally live on a space gift. But when it first hit, the scene was a hellscape of fire and molten lava. The Chicxulub crater, Mexico. But the most famous and haunting story is from Mexico, the Chicxulub crater. This was the moment that changed Earth forever. 66 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the planet. They were the apex predators, and they probably felt invincible. Then, an asteroid from space arrived. When it hit the Yucatan Peninsula, it was a global reset button. Scientists say the impact kicked up so much dust and debris that it blocked out the sun for years. Photosynthesis stopped, plants died, and the entire food chain collapsed. Massive tsunamis, taller than any skyscraper, devastated the coastlines. Today, this crater is hidden, half under the Gulf of Mexico and half under land. Experts believe that if this asteroid had arrived just a few minutes later, or landed in the deep ocean instead, dinosaurs might still be roaming the Earth today, and humans might never have existed.